Hi. Welcome to a new video of Yokogawa WT5000 in which we will learn the configuration and use of trend display. Trend display is time series graph of measurement parameters which helps to do the analysis of long-time recorded data. Any measurement parameter or function or user-defined item can be pulled to trend display to view it in graphical way over the time. In WT5000, we can have 16 items in trend display of a group, and like that we can have 4 such groups. Y helps to analyze more parameters in trend graph. Trend screen can be viewed in single, dual, triad or quad manner as per the requirement. Vertical axis can be set as auto scaling, or we can define upper and lower limits for manual scaling. We can record the trend graph as minimum as 3 seconds to maximum length of 1 day directly in WT5000. Let's understand how to set up trend display in WT5000. Let's first do the measurement settings like appropriate voltage and current range selection, etc. After measurement settings, click on the display icon. Y will open up a sub-window in which select display and from the drop-down select graph. Click on the drop-down under graph and select trend from the available graphs. Now we have made the power analyzer into trend display. In trend graphs, we can group measurement parameters and combine up to 16 parameters under one group. We can make 4 such groups to have maximum parameters under trend graph for analysis. Let's configure trend traces for each required parameters. For that, click on items, which will open up a window where we can select and configure required parameters to the available traces. Scaling of the trend graph can be either auto or manual. In manual, user can define the range of scaling. In this measurement, let's use auto mode. We can allocate any of the parameters of any of the element to a particular required trace with the flexibility of configuration in WT5000. Let's configure trace 9 for frequency of current, trace 10 for time of integration function, and trace 11 for energy. We can also select particular element from the available inserted elements in WT5000 for measurement of trend graphs. Once after setting the traces, we can close this window and click on Display. Now let's go to Form and click on it, which will open up Format, Times per Division, Clear Trend Execute and Advanced. Click on Form drop-down under which we can see Single, Dual, Trad and Quad forms of displays available, from which we can select appropriate form for measurement. Times per division is where we can select the recording time of trend graph. In WT5000 we can record as low as 3 seconds to as high as 1 day trend graph directly in instrument. For this test measurement, let's configure times per division to 30 seconds. In advanced setting, we can have option to select types of interpolate, graticule, scale value to switch on or off, wave label to switch on or off. Once A for these settings, close this window and let's click Display again. Now let's understand the cursors in trend graphs. There are 2 cursors are available with which we can see the trend parameters by switching on the cursors and selecting the required trace. With the help of cursor position, we can move the cursors. Let's close cursor window and click display again. Now for displaying the moving values of trend graph. Click on values, which will display the moving values of trend graph in WT5000 display. Since we have configured for integration time and energy, we will switch on integration function to get values for trace 10 and trace 11. As we can see on the screen, trend display is a very powerful tool to analyze the measurement data over the time, and with Y user can have a very clear understanding of behavior of parameters over the time. Thanks for watching and happy measurements.
We are the precision makers.